Okay, so this morning I was going to straighten my hair and I turned my straightener on and the light came on but it wouldn't heat up. So yeah, it's broken. I know my hair looks bad now, but this morning it looked really, really bad. And my straightener wouldn't work and I was getting all upset, so I had to go to Walmart and I bought a brand new straightener that apparently I've lost already. So I really wanted to take this one apart, but there are no screws anywhere. So I'm just going to rip it apart like this. And you're going to watch. I'm doing this in the hallway so we don't have explodey plastic all in our room. And we'll just have it in the hallway. And I have my safety goggles, which are Malia's. I'm going to use my foot as leverage. I'll do it this way. Oh, I missed it! Oh, yeah. That wasn't as fun as I thought it would be. I thought it was going to be like, explosion! But actually, I don't even think it broke. Like, I think it just, like, popped out. I wonder if I can put it back together. Maybe not. Oh yeah, I did break it. If you ever wanted to know what the inside of a straightener looks like, that's basically it. It's really not as interesting as I thought it would be. I want an explosion! Arrgh. Woo! Pretty colors. I want something to explode. Dang it. Okay, I'm gonna try to break this in half because I really want a plastic explosion. My foot as leverage again. I'm gonna smash my fingers. It still didn't even explode. It was just like. What is this? Here, I'll do this one too. Just to see if I can get the... I'm not going to be able to break the metal part. It's not going to work. Okay. Oh, somebody's coming. Looks like candy. They hide candy in straighteners. Ooh, it smells weird.
Great.
Smell it.
I don't want to smell it. I don't want to die.
Alright, I'm gonna go throw this away outside in the dumpster now. Because Malia's afraid that we're gonna get poisoned by the smell of this broken straightener.